kids, this is teacher Margie. Join me in a day of learning English easy and fun. So we are now on quarter 3, week 5. And our lesson for today is about responses to questions on informational text. In this lesson, you are expected to ask and respond to questions about informational text listened to. Informational text is a non-fiction text is written with the intention of informing the reader about a specific topic. It presents factual details or information and typically found in magazines, science or history books, autobiographies, and other instructional materials. We have here a newspaper, textbook, TV, social medias and internet, and a magazine. So these things are examples of an informational text where we can read and watch factual details of a certain topic. To start our lesson today, I want you to listen a short selection that I'm going to read. All about snakes. Snakes are scary, yet interesting animals. They are reptiles and are cold-blooded. They are limbless and have elongated bodies and tails. They can smell with their tongues. They do not have feet. They do not have ears, but they can hear through their jaw. They change their skin from time to time. A number of snakes have venom that can kill their prey. Their venoms are also used to create an antidote against snake bites. They are carnivores. They eat fish, chickens, mice, birds, bats, and other animals. So based on the selection that I have read, answer the following questions. What type of animals are snakes? Very good. Snakes are scary yet interesting animals. Number 2. What are the characteristics of snakes? Alright. The characteristics of snakes are they are reptiles, cold-blooded, limbless, has elongated body and tail, can smell with their tongues, they do not have feet, they are carnivores, have venoms, and they do not have ears but can hear through their jaw. Number 3 question. How will you describe their venom? Alright, their venom can kill their prey. Number 4. What do snakes eat? Good job! Snakes eat fish, chicken, mouse, bird, bat, and other animals. The selection that I have read is an example of an informational text. It presents factual details or informations about a specific topic. In this case, it discusses facts about snakes. Let us have another selection. I am going to read the selection for you and then you will identify what details are asked. A butterfly has wings with different colors and structures. Butterflies have wings that are covered with many tiny scales. They have 3 main body parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. They have taste receptors on their feet. They get nutrients by drinking from mud puddles. They see a range of ultraviolet colors invisible to human eyes. Did you listen, read, and understand the selection? Let us see if you did. What covers the wings of butterflies? A. Tiny scales. B. Tiny skin. C. Tiny holes. The answer is A. Tiny scales. Number 2. Where can the taste receptors of butterflies be found? A. Head. B. Body. C. Feet. The answer is feet. Number 3. How do butterflies get nutrients? A. By seeing ultraviolet colors. B. By drinking from mud puddles. C. By covering themselves. The answer is B. By drinking from mud puddles. Number 4. How do butterflies see that are invisible to human eyes? A. Other butterflies. B. Their wings. C. Ultraviolet colors. The answer is C. Ultraviolet colors. Did you get all the answers correctly? Very good. 2 thumbs up for you, kids. Let us review again the details about informational text. Factual information or details are presented in an informational text. They provide specific details about particular persons, places, things, animals, events, and topics. Details in informational text are basically determined by asking important questions such as what, who, when, where, why, and how. These questions serve as guide in getting the factual details about a given selection or topic. And for your activity, I'm going to read again a selection, and then you will identify what detail are asked. Quezon Province is the largest province in Calabarzon in terms of land area. The province is divided into 2 cities and 39 municipalities or towns. Lucena is its capital city. Calilayan was the first known name of the province. It was later renamed Tayabas, in honor of the former governor of the province, who later became the second president of the country, Manuel L. Quezon. The province name was then changed to Quezon. What is the largest province in Calabarzon in terms of land area? A. Laguna. B. Batangas. C. Quezon. The answer is Quezon. Number 2. How many cities and towns are there in Quezon Province? A. 3 cities and 29 towns. B. 4 cities and 49 towns. C. 2 cities and 39 towns. The answer is C. 2 cities and 39 towns. Number 3. What is the capital city of the province? A. Lucena. B. Tayabas. C. Calilayan. The answer is A. Lucena. Number 4. Before using its current name, What is the name of the province? A. Calilayan, B. Tayabas, C. Lucena. The answer is B. Tayabas. Number 5. Who was the inspiration for changing the name of the province from Tayabas to its present name? A. Manuel A. Rojas, B. Manuel L. Quezon, C. Manuel U. Conde. The answer is B. Manuel L. Quezon. Number 6. What is the first known name of the province? A. Calilayan, B. Tayabas, C. Lucena. The answer is A. Calilayan. Did you get all the answers correctly? I hope you do. So kids, always remember that factual informations or details are presented in informational text. They provide specific details about particular persons, places, things, animals, events, and topics. Details in informational text are basically determined by asking important questions such as what, who, when, where, why, and how. These questions serve as guide in getting the factual details about a given selection or topic. That's all for today, kids. Don't forget to weigh on how you are going to determine the details about factual details of a certain topic or informational text. Thank you and see you next time. Bye!